How to fix ChatGPT Error Code 1020. This error might be because of the heavy traffic that OpenAI might be facing while you're browsing the OpenAI or ChatGPT. So be patient and keep refreshing your browser and make sure that you have a stable and smooth internet connection. And if you're unsure about the OpenAI servers, you can check them by going to status.openai.com, and if the servers are running really well, you might be facing problem because of the cached data on your browser. So in order to clear your cached data, go to 3 lines on your browser and click on settings, and after that go to privacy and security, to click on the cookies and other site data, and after that and click on see all site data and permissions, and in the search bar search for OpenAI and delete the cookies. And if this still does not work for you, the last option might be using a free VPN service to browse the ChatGPT. You can use some free VPN like FastVPN or VPN to browse the ChatGPT, and I hope that your problem will be solved. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and do not forget to leave us a like and comment. Till then, I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.